Alright guys, so this is it. We're up on the final stretch. We're up on the roof. As you can see, the hole cut out the pipe there right there, so may have just a few more part leave. That is the termination cap or the RLT. That are the storm collar will prevent water from running down on the pipe. And I have two sections of pipe leaf, and I have the flashing. That's what them use to seal it from the roof underneath the shingles. But me now do most of the shingles work, but I have to cut away shingles. I have to cut away shingles where it fit, and the roof I will come back and fix that. Alright, just pull up on a location, so today just I'll go and look up, you know, sneak peek on the job, officially what it is like, what we do on a daily basis. Alright, so this is inside of our house. It's a renovation, remodeling. So we are install WRT 2036 model Fireplace. So this particular model comes with pipes, so the run pipe all the way up through the roof and up this step by step to the process. Or I take them there alone, I work with it. Partner I work with sometimes you call me tired. Yeah, so it's on the final day so alone. I hold them out today. Understand? Yeah, that's how we can do this. That's how we can do this. I'm alone there now. So you know, who not process what is nice. This is the man. More than capable of doing this by myself. Alright, so the dolly. Now, let's get it on the ramp. We get in our house. And the people. We get in our house. No, I want to find it. Alright, so get in our house. So the first step we gotta do is check the width. Check the width. Make sure say it can hold between here so and then check the height. Understand? So I'm gonna do that already and it's perfect. So I got one block and done did it with the header on the right height. So yeah, and it work with ear kits. So I put on an ear kit too. Ear kit thing alright, so put on an ear kit on that too. So I'm gonna bring in the supply them out of the truck and then soon back from there. So alright, so you have to block them, bring in a few tools that we use. You work with a drill, work with a 3-foot level. Put this down in the box, so the ear kit, the cap and the collar and the soft duck. Bring in my leather and just to name a few of the tools that we use. Yeah, I work with torpedo, I have like bird beak in Jamaica, pliers, square, pry bar, snips, and I have a couple blades for the sawzall and the whole saw. So, two for them. So, alright, so put up the unit on the block and run the ear kit. So, see after that. Alright, as you can see, I attach the collar to the soft duck. So I use 4 screws. Attach it right here so you can see outside here. So I'm going to go over. So hold it down right over here. Like that. Alright, so stand corrected. I did that side up over here, so it's one up, we get it balanced off, so put a shim underneath it. Yeah, that well more better. Alright, let's screw it up. Here it up, let's place over there. That. Alright, I can bring in some pipe, run some pipe, then offset it, go back. Probably offset it and return it, go back. And then go straight through the roof and this. So, do that. Alright, so put on the first section of pipe. So the first section is a 4-foot piece of pipe. And that thing we call it offset. Actually like a kind of just slightly shift the pipe over a bit and where it was going. The thing at the fire stop, you're gonna put it that soon, so bring the side parts up there. Cut out the shingles and put on the flashing and everything. Alright guys, so this is it on the final stretch. Section of pipe leaf and I have flashing. That's what them use to seal it from the roof underneath the shingles, but me now do most of the shingles work. But I have to cut away shingles. I have to cut away shingles where it fit and the roof I have to come back and fix that. You know, so warm. So warm up here, so that's the final switch we left for now, so go match up that quick and fast and show me the end result look like. Alright, so it's supposed to look, so it will go fit, so all alright, so now, so you see all I wish about that, you know, I have to go cut out that, I will probably leave, I don't leave the bottom one here, from the middle one, from that, that's the go. Alright, so cut out that, and show them how to look after. Alright, so this is it to see now. From here, all of them top layer. I'm gonna leave the bottom layer. The flashing can run over this, they may want to run half and go over. And the roof, and then I'm gonna come back and tear off and tear off and over. My thing I do is get my work done, and then somebody else continues to do work. So, alright, I'm gonna take the time. Kind of square it up a bit. I should say kind of square up. Something like that. you can't screw it down on camera. You see, I'm kind of offended. Pull it down. But wait now, see that now, I left her something. I go in there chuck a piece of scrap and make a secure bracket on the pipe first. So go in there chuck for that piece of strip metal there. Yeah, to build some safety bracket. Alright, go back down in there, go screw this up, screw it. Can't screw it on there, so I have to go screw it from underneath. Somehow, but the safety bracket is to build like a temporary L shape. Where you go secure the pipe like that way there, and one on both sides. So it helps to reinforce the strength of the pipe to keep it more sturdy and rigid. So in case of hurricane or any extra wind, because that type of fireplace system, you're not going to in a chase. The chase is like that wooden box, that square rectangular thing that go up. Yeah, they're not going to build one to this. It's like as opposed to pipe. So we kind of restrain the pipe in the way we can to keep it more sturdy or secure. Understand? So we're going to scope back and we can get this through and then put on the flashing and add the next piece of pipe. And then put on termination and then put on stamp and show them all. Alright, so this is like right around it. Going right around and everything. Flashing screw down. Secure. So the roof will come back and run back shingles over it up it. And shingles back come back about halfway. The water run off. Yeah man. Check it with the plumb. Well plumb. Yes man, so yeah, far out look. Yeah, and there's a certain rule to it. Anything within 10 feet of the pipe, you have to go 2 feet above that. So anyway, I'm set the tape and measure it from the cross of the roof bridge from straight across to 10 foot. So 10 foot stop on the apparatus. So the tape level, go across the roof to 10 foot, and 2 foot above the foot on the termination. Under the code. Yeah man, so that yo. That, you know, all in our day's work, sun warm, sun red out there. So we still have the air kit to go finish run through the soffit at our right down from the little tail part down there, so yeah. So we run that air kit down, that's a wrap. So yeah man, I hit that man. WRT 2036 model. Install, no chase, flashing and everything. So yeah man. Final walkthrough. So this is it. And everything. When I'm done with this, you won't believe it. Yeah. A couple months down the line, you can remember show me the end result when I'm done the house and I'm done dress it up and come back come put in the wood brother so now come put in that is it guys. Fresh air through to keep the fire burning. Keep it on. Keep the fire burning. Working at truck. The paperwork we do. You know, what me use, all of the parts we use, how much pipe we use, and the time and then the done and everything. And then, you know, that is it. Then I get back and grab some juice and then I let that stuff. Two stuff we make to install a screen and everything. So, monster truck. So, catching up on another one. Remember.